Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all staying safe. This week, we're going to be learning about the Super 6 strategy making connections. Good readers make connections by using what they already know to connect a text to their life experiences, another text, or the world. And there are 3 ways that we make connections. The first one is that we make connections to ourselves. So we connect the story to our life and our life experiences, and it reminds us of a time when we experienced that event. The second one is we can connect text to text, which means we can connect the story to another story. The third one is that we can connect a text to what we already know about the real world. So this is called text to world. This week we're going to be learning about text to self, which is connecting the story to our own life experiences that we've experienced. Okay, so now what you need to do is, after watching the lesson video of The Brothers Quibble by Aaron Blake, you need to answer the question below. The question is, do you have a sibling at home? If yes, has something like that happened to you before between you and your brother or sister? And you need to describe what happened. This will involve you making a connection to your own life experiences. And I've given you an example below. So for me, this reminded me of a time when my sister was born and she was getting all the attention and I wasn't. So now what you need to do is you need to go onto your booklet or onto Google Classroom and you need to complete this activity and then post it onto your teacher's Google Classroom. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.